IELTS Writing Masterclass, structuring task 1 and 2 for high band scores. Want to score band 7 or higher in IELTS writing? Then structure is everything. In this video, I'm giving you the exact blueprint for both task 1 and 2, so you can stop guessing, start writing, and actually impress the examiner. Whether you're writing about a bar chart or an opinion essay, I'll show you how to build high-scoring answers step by step. Welcome back to Tech English Pro. I've been teaching English online for 7 years with both TEFL and TESOL certifications. On this channel, we break down real English into bite-sized practical tips so you improve faster and with less stress. Let's jump in. By the end of this video, you'll know how to structure task 1 for graphs, maps, and processes, the ideal plan for task 2, and what examiners look for and how to give it to them. Let's start with task 1. This is a data description task. You're not going to be tested on creativity. You're being tested on clarity and accuracy. Use this simple structure. Introduction. Paraphrase the question. Overview. One sentence summarizing key trends and detailed paragraphs. Pick out comparisons or notable changes. For example, overall, sales increased steadily, with the UK leading by the end of the period. That's an overview sentence that examiners love. Now, let's break down task 2, the opinion or argument essay. Use this 4-paragraph formula. Introduction, body paragraph 1, the main idea and an example. Body paragraph 2, the second idea and an example. And lastly, the conclusion. Use clear topic sentences like one major reason is ... or another important point is ... It helps both the reader and the examiner to follow your logic. And avoid saying I think again and again. Use variations like in my view ... or it's widely believed ... for better style. Want to really boost your band score? Use linking words, however, in contrast, as a result, complex sentences. Although the numbers rose, the trend was not consistent, and specific examples. For example, in 2018, smartphone sales increased by 35%. These are the things that push your band score 7 and above. Let's recap. Structure each task clearly. Be specific, not vague. Think like the examiner. If this helps, give it a thumbs up. Drop your IELTS questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, smart English lessons every week. Writing doesn't have to be hard. You just need the right map. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.